After the Rangers match on Sunday, Ezengwa and I were invited to the Rangers headquarters. The general manager himself presented us with 2 original Rangers jerseys. We are now equipped for the Rangers to bring the cup home. The GM then also made up time to show us around, pointed to where he would like to build a Rangers museum in the near future, as well as the wall of the founding fathers of the Rangers Football Club. Funny enough, Ezengwa's father was a huge fan of the Rangers, and Ezengwa's first football boot was one that his fathers got from the very famous Emmanuel Okala. So coming here was more like a homecoming for Ezengwa, who used to play very good football himself in the Premier League of Switzerland. Looks like now we have a new favorite club to support here in Enugu.